Hello, I am Dr. Srinivasa He, working as an assistant professor of physics. In this video, I am going to solve some problems and discuss some questions which are studying in third BSc students, physics students for 5th sem, atomic physics, spectroscopy, lasers and astrophysics paper prescribed by Kuvempu University. The name of the paper is Atomic Physics, Spectroscopy, Lasers and Astrophysics and also Cosmology. Buffer session. In this video, the students will learn the problem solving techniques and also we are conducting the unit tests, group discussion, conducting quiz and giving assignments to the students. Problems on astrophysics. The first problem. If the parallax angle of a star is 0.8 second, then calculate the distance of the star from the earth. So we know that distance in parsec is equal to 1 by parallax in arc second. That is 1 by 0.8 second. If we simplify 1 by 0.8, we will get 1.25 parsec. The second problem is, if the parallax of the star Spica is 0.3 arc second, calculate the distance from the earth. Again, the same type. So, the distance in parsec is equal to 1 by parallax in arc second. So, 1 by 0.3 arc second. So, 1 by 0.3 is equal to 3.333 parsec, but 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year, that is equal to 10.86 light year. On solving, we will get the distance of the star Spica in light year as 10.86 light year. The third problem is that the sun has a luminosity of 4.52 into 10 power 26 watt and radius of 7 into 10 power 8 meter. Calculate its surface temperature. So we know that luminosity of a star is given by L is equal to 4 pi r square into sigma t to the power of 4. Therefore, t to the power of 4 is equal to L by 4 pi r square sigma. Substituting the values of radius and also luminosity value and the value of Stephen's constant is 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 watt per meter square per Kelvin to the power of 4. On solving for temperature, we will get 6000 Kelvin. The temperature value is 6000 Kelvin. The problem number 4 is, the surface temperature of the stars Sirius and the sun are 12,000 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin respectively. If the ratio of their radii is 2, compare their luminosities. Again use the same formula. L is equal to 4 pi r square into sigma t to the power of 4. Here L1 by L2 is equal to r square t to the power of 4. I mean r1 square by r1 by r2 whole square into t1 by t2 whole to the power of 4. But they have given r1 by r2 is equal to 2. So, r1 by r2 whole square means 2 square, that is 4, and t1 by t2 is 12,000 by 6,000, that is 2. 2 to the power of 4 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. The answer is 16. The problem number 5. A known star is at a distance of 4 parsecs from the earth and it has an absolute magnitude of plus 6.24. Find its apparent magnitude. We know that expression for absolute magnitude, capital M is equal to small m, that is apparent magnitude, plus 5 minus 5 log d. The value of d should be in parsec. We have to calculate the apparent magnitude m. The absolute magnitude is given 6.24 is equal to m plus 5 minus 5 log d. I mean d in parsec. After simplification, we will get the apparent magnitude of a star as 4.25. Calculate the average temperature of a star of mass 3 times the mass of the sun and radius 2 times the radius of the sun. Given the average temperature of the sun is 2.88 into 10 power 6 Kelvin. So this problem is on average temperature of the star. We know that average temperature of the star is directly proportional to mass of the star and inversely proportional to radius of the star. Therefore, average temperature of the star is given by m by ms into rs by r into average temperature of the sun. So, substituting the values will get, and after simplification will get the average temperature of the star as 4.32 into 10 power 6 Kelvin. The seventh problem is that calculate the internal temperature of the sun at a distance 2.88 into 10 power 8 meter from its center. The core temperature of the sun is 10 power 7 Kelvin and radius of the sun is 6.96 into 10 power 8 meter. I mean, distance small r is given, core temperature is given 10 to the power 7 and radius of the sun is given. So we know that expression for internal temperature of the star T of r is equal to Tc, that is core temperature, into 1 minus small r by capital R, where capital R is the radius of the sun. Substituting all the values and simplify, will get the internal temperature of the star is 0.5863 into 10 power 6 Kelvin. The next problem is the Schwarzschild radius of a black hole whose mass is 5000 times the mass of the sun is, and given mass of the sun is 1.96 into 10 power 30 kg. We know that expression for Schwarzschild radius is r is equal to 2gm by c square. The g value, I mean universal gravitational constant, is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per Coulomb square, and mass is given, and c velocity of the light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Substituting all the values and after simplification will get the value 14.53 into 10 power 8 meter. The assignment questions are 2 marks questions. Explain the stellar paradox method to determine the distance of a star. Define parsec, express parsec in terms of light year. Define the terms luminosity and brightness of stars. Obtain the relation between luminosity and brightness of stars. What are apparent and absolute magnitude of stars? What is HR diagram? How is it used to explain the properties of stars? What is photon diffusion time and random walk? Obtain the expression for the mass luminosity relation for stars. So write a note on white dwarfs. The question number 10 is write a note on Chandrasekhar mass limit. Describe the process of formation of neutron stars. What is a black hole? Write the expression for Schwarzschild radius. Describe the process of formation of a black hole. Explain the expansion of universe according to Einstein's view. Mention any 2 experimental evidence for Big Bang. State and explain Hubble's law. State and explain steady state theory. Write a note on Penzias and Wilson experiment. The question number 14 to 18 belongs to cosmology chapter. 4 marks questions are: first one, define and compare the units used to measure astronomical distances. The question number 2 is what are apparent and absolute magnitude of stars? Obtain the relation between them. Question number 3 is explain the spectral classification of stars on the basis of their surface temperatures. 4 is define luminosity and brightness of stars and explain how their magnitudes are compared. Question number 5 is explain spectral classification on the basis of HR diagram. Question number 6 is make estimates of mean density and surface temperature of sun. 4 marks question continues. Derive an expression for internal temperature of sun and write the relevant expression for internal pressure. Derive the expression for photon diffusion time of a star and calculate it for sun. Obtain the mass luminosity relation for stars. Explain the mechanism of production of stellar energy. Explain in detail the stellar evolution of stars. Write a note on white dwarfs and neutron stars. Write a note on white dwarfs and black holes. State and explain Hubble's law and use it to calculate the age of the universe. explain qualitatively the Big Bang theory with supporting experimental evidence. So these are the 4 marks question which comes under astrophysics and cosmology. Dear students, prepare answer for all these questions and write in your exams. Best of luck for your exams. Thank you for watching.